In today's video, I'm going to teach you what Monarch Money is all about in a complete beginner's overview. Monarch Money is a comprehensive financial tool designed to help you manage your personal finances more effectively. Let's take a tour through its features to give you an idea of how it can support you in various financial aspects. First, let's head over to the dashboard. The Monarch Money dashboard provides an overview of all your financial activities. Think of it as your go-to hub where you can manage your accounts, budgets, and goals all in one place. It's designed for ease of use, helping you gain a comprehensive understanding of your financial health at a glance. Next, let's delve into the accounts section. This part of Monarch Money allows you to add and track all your accounts, providing a clear picture of your overall financial situation. Whether it's bank accounts, credit cards, or loans, having all your accounts in one place makes managing them much easier. You'll know exactly where you stand financially without flipping through multiple apps or websites. Moving on, you can add transactions within Monarch Money, streamlining how you track your spending and income. This helps you keep an accurate log of every penny going in or out of your accounts, enabling you to identify spending patterns and make informed decisions about your finances. With this feature, maintaining financial discipline becomes significantly more manageable. You also have the cash flow section where you can monitor the flow of your finances over time. This helps you understand how money moves through your accounts, highlighting areas where you might improve your financial management. With clear insights into your cash flow, you can strategize effectively to enhance your savings or reallocate funds to areas that require more attention. Additionally, Monarch Money offers a robust feature for viewing detailed financial reports. These reports give you deeper insights into your financial behavior over various time periods, whether weekly, monthly, or annually. They help you analyze your financial standing with precision, empowering you to make data-driven decisions and improve your financial strategies. Creating a budget is integral to sound financial management, and Monarch Money has you covered. Within the platform, you can set up a budget to guide your spending and saving habits, thereby ensuring you stay on track with your financial goals. Budgeting effectively can also reveal areas where you might cut back, allowing you to redirect funds to more critical savings or investment goals. Moreover, the recurring section lets you manage and review your recurring transactions, such as subscriptions or bills. With a clear view of these outgoings, you can avoid surprises, stay organized, and potentially identify services you might not need anymore. Monarch Money also helps in setting personal financial goals, whether saving for a vacation, a new car, or your retirement. The goal-setting feature aids in planning and tracking your progress. Having defined goals inspires you to maintain financial discipline, ultimately bringing you closer to achieving your ambitions. Investment tracking is another valuable aspect of Monarch Money. It provides a detailed overview of your investments, enabling you to manage your investment portfolio effectively. With insights into performance and returns, you can make informed adjustments to optimize your portfolio for better growth. Finally, Monarch Money offers financial advice tailored to your situation. This can be a powerful tool for those looking to improve their financial literacy or strategize little tweaks to maximize their financial health. Having personalized advice right within the app helps develop smarter money habits, ensuring you make confident financial choices. There you have it, a comprehensive overview of what Monarch Money has to offer for beginners. With its array of features, managing your finances is not only more accessible but also more effective. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this overview helpful.